Good morning, y'all. What's up? Hey, good morning. Woke up a little late, so I missed my classes, but whatever. Not doing anything in those classes anyway, so. Yeah, check this snow out right here. Holy sh. What a sight to wake up to. It's currently 10:51 in the morning and I still haven't had breakfast. Just had some good breakfast. I think I'm gonna head outside. Well, let's take a trip outside, shall we? Alright, it's been a boring day, so I'm just gonna start a game of CSGO with the boys. Okay, let's get it. Yo, what is up? Your boy just ranked up to Gold Nova 2. Let's go. So I just got done playing CSGO and I'm about to head out to meet someone. Had to put on a hat because, you know, my hair was a little messy, but let's get it. It is so damn hectic out here right now. Look who's here!
Hi guys! Oh, you just passed it. Okay, turn. No! Oh my gosh. The people behind you are gonna get mad.
Yeah, because
what did I tell you? You don't even know where Starbucks is?
No, obviously not.
We're at Starbucks.
Yeah, man. About to go do homework at Starbucks. What is up?
You don't even have your homework.
Thanks, Gisela. You're the best. Low-key, I never go to Starbucks, so this shit's like hella fancy. I don't even know what to
What are you
get.
getting?
Damn, bro. Starbucks got that good, you feel me? So, Gisela paid for my drink. What a nice girl, but I didn't want what she ordered me.
What?
Let's see how good this drink is. I usually just drink Starbucks, but...
That one's not yours.
Ooh,
This one's yours.
wrong drink. Yours is better, let's trade.
You don't like Guys, look how dark it is outside. You can't really tell because of the
And it's
camera,
only like
but
4:50.
yeah, it's so dark out here. How do you feel about the snow?
I hate it.
I hate you.
Hey, yo,
So
get out
funny,
right
huh?
now. Hey, yo, get out right now.
No.
Bye, Sala.
Bye.
Don't die in the storm.
Yeah, you're the one driving.
Thanks for the Starbucks. See ya.
Bye.
Damn, hella crazy out here, dude. I'm driving at legit like 15 miles an hour because this dude in front of me is hella slow, but safety first, y'all, you feel me? Holy shit, this is so bad. There's a fucking blizzard going on out here, dude. Yeah, shout out to Utah. Got us driving at 10 miles an hour on a 40-mile-per-hour road. I love it. Yeah, today was pretty sick so far. Well, hey, check out this keyboard though. So sick, huh? I love it. Dual monitor. Pokemon. You already know what it is. Oh, totally forgot I got a package in the mail. Ran out to the Blizzard to get it. Let's get it, boys. Alright. Let's get this package open. Let's go. Some shark wheels. Probably worst timing ever because there's Blizzard, but whatever. Oh. Ooh, like pre-lubricated or something. Alright, so just install these wheels. You feel me? I guess they're supposed to be smoother and they go over rocks really easily. Apparently they're supposed to kick rocks out, but guess we'll have to give it a try. Alright y'all, that is it for today's adventures. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Fuck, I really need an outro.